probably in a lot of stress because it's finals week. Everywhere sliding left and right. You don't know what to do. You want to cry. You want to jump off a roof. Please don't do it. Don't do it. It's just 1 week. No, exactly 2 weeks. It doesn't matter. You can do it. I would advise you to watch this video on zodiac signs types of students during finals week. And we hope you enjoy this video. We hope we can somehow make you laugh during finals week. So let's get started with your video.
So, guys, there's 3 hours to finish your final exam. Please make sure that public around just completely. I get this all the time. Students telling me that they get bad grades. They don't prepare correctly. So please don't let me listen it again. And I finished. What? I finished. How you? What? Let's get started preparing. So, name? Oh, my name. AKGUL KISSENBAYEVA. Okay, I need a break. So tired.
Hey guys, listen up all. You know we're about to go in there and then it's the last test of the year, so I want to say you good luck. Yes. Get stuck on a problem, don't give up, never give up. You know we are high-flying eagle. Everybody can give up except us. Big McDonald's give up, so ice cream machine wasn't working. What are you saying? Okay, so we are strong, so who is with me? Me.
Dude, you know the test in a day? It's on Friday.
So it's okay. I'm gonna go now.
Okay, class, I'm gonna give you 15 minutes to review all your notes. We took over the weekend and we will begin with our final. Oh my god, I studied all week for this final examination. Did you?
No, dude, I never do. You know me.
Oh my god, it's our last final examination. And you did it start? Great! I got a B plus. What did you get?
A minus.
What? How?
I don't know. Oh my god, what are you doing?
I'm not getting the answer right. I need to get a good mark. I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. I don't know what to do. I'm not getting the answer right.
Finals week is tough, but we, as university students, are tougher.
Let's not let finals break us down.
You may be mentally and physically exhausted from the semester, but we are all close to the light at the end of the tunnel. That light is glorious.
How many points did you get from the finals?
100!